Hi friends, welcome to the Navigates YouTube channel. Thank you so much for all your likes, shares, subscriptions and views. Thank you very much. Back again with something very interesting for you. Yes, what day it is today? It is Mother's Day. So wishing all the moms out there, all those super duper moms out there, strong moms out there, all the beautiful moms out there, smart moms out there, a very happy Mother's Day from our channel. So today we have got a lot of things packed up for you. We have got many special things, surprises for you. Yes, the first thing is we are going to watch a beautiful dance, a dedication of a beautiful child for her mom. Not just that, we are going to listen to a song, a dedication to all the mothers from again a talented singer. And about that, we have got some very special wishes from a lot of kids for their moms. Special surprise wishes. It's going to be a surprise for them, so I'm sure they're going to feel very happy after watching it. And not just that, we are also going to have a very special Mother's Day gift, how to make it and how to present it to your mom this Mother's Day at home from a very talented trainer. So are you excited? I am. So let's go watch all of that and wishing all you a happy Mother's Day once again. Come on, let's go. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down and subscribe.
சிவகாமி கருமாரி மகமாய் திருக்கோயில் தெய்வங்கள் நீதானம்மா. அன்னைக்கு அன்றாடம் அபிஷேகம் அலங்காரம் புரிகின்ற சிறு தொண்டன் நான் தானம்மா. பொருளோடு புகழ் வேண்டும் மகனல்ல தாயேவும் அருள் வேண்டும் எனக்கென்றும் இங்கு பிறப்பொன்று அமைந்தாலும் நான் உங்கள் மகனாக பிறக்கின்ற வரம் வேண்டுமே, அதை நீயே தருவாயே. அம்மா என்றழைக்காத உயிரில்லையே, அம்மாவை வணங்காது உயர்வில்லையே. புதுவெள்ளி மாணிக்கம் மணி வைரம் அவையாகும் ஒரு தாய்க்கு ஈடாகுமா? விலை மீது விலை வைத்து கேட்டாலும் கொடுத்தாலும் கரைதன்னில் தாயன்பு கிடைக்காதம்மா.
song for all the mothers out there. Arariraro நான் இங்கு பாட தாயே நீ கண்ணுறங்கு என்னோட மடி சாய்ந்து வாழும் காலம் யாவுமே தாயின் பாதம் சொர்க்கமே வேதம் 4 சொன்னதே அதை நான் அறிவேனே அம்மா என்னும் மந்திரமே அகிலம் யாவும் ஆள்கிறதே அரரிராரோ நான் இங்கு பாட தாயே நீ கண்ணுறங்கு என்னோட மடி சாய்ந்து வேறில்லாத மரம் போல் என்னை நீ பூமியில் நட்டாயே ஊர்கண் எந்தன் மேலே பட்டால் உன்னுயிர் நோக துடித்தாயே உலகத்தின் பந்தங்கள் எல்லாம் நீ சொல்லித் தந்தாயே பிறப்புக்கும் இறப்புக்கும் இடையில் வழி நடத்தி சென்றாயே உனக்கே ஓர் தொட்டில் கட்டி நானே தாயாய் மாறிட வேண்டும் அரரிராரோ நான் இங்கு பாட தாயே நீ கண்ணுறங்கு என்னோட மடி சாய்ந்து. Thank you.
Mom, happy Mother's Day. My mom gave me gifts. My mom can feed me.
My name is M. Raghavardhini of 8th. Happy Mother's Day, Amma. I like you. I love you so much. Happy Mother's Day once again. I cannot say only 3 special things from you because you are itself a special thing for me, and there are more that which I like. I will share with you. My mother is very best friend for me. I will share everything with my mother. My mother will give me a positive solution that will make me free. And next, most of the time my mother only feed me. Whenever I ask her to feed, she won't say anything, I will feed you tomorrow. Whenever I ask, she will feed me. That's I like second thing. And next, she is very caring. She is so caring for me because I have to do all the activities like craft work, and I have a good name in dance because it's fully on my mother. And recently she likes singing. She does many work for me, so just whatever she asks I will just do. We can only do that, but we cannot equal nobody in mom's place. So happy Mother's Day. And this is my mom. I love you. So she's very particular to do all the activities. She makes a chart and what all activities I do, she will write it with a pen, and she spends more time on me for me and puts a star in the chart. So all these things I love from my mom. Actually I love my mom, so everything I like from her. And she is missing her mom, but I will stand in her mom's place and take care you, mummy. So we cannot priceless their mother's place. Nobody can stand for that place. So only we are celebrating these days, Mother's Days, like that Mother Day we are celebrating. So I love you, mummy. Happy Mother's Day.
அம்மா ஹாப்பி மதர்ஸ் டே. ஒரு மதரோட ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டிஸ், அவங்க என்னெல்லாம் குழந்தைங்களுக்காக பண்ணுறாங்க, அவங்க வந்து எவ்வளோ பெரிய விஷயம் இந்த வேர்ல்டுக்கு அப்படின்றது எல்லாமே வந்து எனக்கு எப்போ தெரிஞ்சுது அப்படின்னா, நான் அம்மாவானதுக்கு அப்புறமா தான். நிறைய விஷயம் நீங்கள் எனக்காக சாக்ரிஃபைஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க, இன்னும் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கீங்க. ஃபுல்லாகவே வந்து நீங்கள் பண்ணுற எல்லா விஷயங்களுமே வந்து அதில் எல்லாத்துலேயுமே நாங்கள் இருக்கோம். உங்ககிட்ட ரொம்ப பிடிச்ச ஒரு 3 விஷயம் நான் இந்த மதர்ஸ் டேயில் வந்து ஷேர் பண்ணிக்க போகிறேன். சமைக்கிறது அப்படின்ற விஷயம் வந்து உங்களுக்காக சமைக்க மாட்டீங்க, அப்பாக்காக சமைக்க மாட்டீங்க. நாங்கள் எது ரொம்ப பிடிச்சி சாப்பிடுவோமோ அந்த விஷயத்த தேடி தேடி சமைப்பீங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு ட்ரெஸ் எடுக்கிறதா இருக்கட்டும், நாங்கள் நல்லாவே இல்லாத ட்ரெஸ்ஸை கேட்டால் கூட ஓகே இது அவங்களுக்கு பிடிக்கும். அண்ட் அந்த மாதம் பட்ஜெட்டில் வந்து நிறைய விஷயங்கள் வந்து பட்ஜெட் கம்மியாக இருக்கும், ட்ரெஸ் எடுக்கிறதுக்கோ இல்லை மற்ற செலவுக்கு அந்த மாதிரி காசு இல்லைன்னா கூட அது எல்லாத்தையுமே ஓவர் கம் பண்ணி எங்களோட ஹாப்பினஸ்க்காக நீங்கள் எல்லாத்தையுமே பண்ணுவீங்க. தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். உன்னோட சமையல் எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்குமா. இப்போ நான் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அதை மிஸ் பண்ணுறேன். என்னால் அதிகமாக அங்கே டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ண முடியல. ஸோ நானும் ஒரு நல்ல மதராக இருந்து என்னோட குழந்தைங்களோட ஃப்யூச்சரை வந்து உன்ன மாதிரியே நான் நல்லா வழி நடத்திட்டு போவேன். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். ஹாப்பி மதர்ஸ் டே. ஐ லவ் யூ ஸோ மச் அம்மா.
My name is Samuel Prabhu. My mother's name is Letitia. I like her because she motivates me to achieve my goals. And in this pandemic year also, she allows me to play with safety measures. And she helps to fulfill my wishes. Happy Mother's Day.
Hi everyone, my name is Debbie. My mother's name is Letitia. She will motivate me, so I like my mother. In this pandemic year, she will say everyone to wear masks and be at home itself. And in this pandemic year, everyone avoid us, so I will cry often. So my mother will come and play with me. So she will be as my mom and my friend. Happy Mother's Day.
ஹாப்பி மதர்ஸ் டே மம்மி. உங்கள்கிட்ட நான் நிறைய விஷயம் வந்து இன்ஸ்பயர் ஆகியிருக்கேன். அதில் வந்து ஃபஸ்ட் ஒன் வந்து மல்டி டாஸ்கிங். நீங்கள் வீடியோ பார்த்துப்பீங்க அண்ட் பிஸ்னஸையும் பார்த்துப்பீங்க. அது எனக்கு ரொம்ப அட்மையர் ஆன விஷயம். தென் யூ ஆர் வெரி ஃப்ரெண்ட்லி, அட் தி சேம் டைம் யூ ஆர் வெரி ஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் இன் சம் கேசஸ், சில விஷயத்தில். பட் தட்ஸ் ஓகே. அண்ட் எங்களுக்காக நீங்கள் லைஃப்பில் நிறைய பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க அண்ட் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச விஷயத்தையும் நிறைய பண்ணுங்கள். And love you mommy. Wishing all mothers a very happy Mother's Day. Stay happy, stay safe.
Hello everybody and hi to all. This is myself A.R. Arya and I'm here to speak about the 3 golden things of my mom. So, our mother is the reason of life. There is nothing as pure as a mother's love to their child. And mothers are the God's gift for humanity. So starting it with my mom's introduction. My mom was an electronic engineer and she worked as an assistant professor. So she decided to resign her job as we grown up and to take care of ourselves. So that is not that easy to destroy a thing which you love. She actually loved her job that much. But I don't know how to thank you, Mom. Thank you so much for being for us and taking care of us. So the first golden thing about my mom is she encourages me every single time. Even I'm down, even I'm up, even I'm not believing in myself and trusting in myself, she always encourages me and she always used to say that you can do it. So she encourages me and supports me in every way. So for example, I'm not allowed to dance in my culture. So, but she doesn't care about that. She always supports me and my ambition is to dance. So, she doesn't say anything. She supports my ambition and she always supports me. So, the second golden thing about my mom is she doesn't refuse for her work. And she always, or every time, she never lose her patience. She always maintain her patience. She doesn't refuse her words. So thank you for that, Mom. And the third golden thing of my mom is she's always my very best friend. I love you, Mom. She's very best friend. Even I'm stressed out and I'm in an anxiety mood, I'm not good. I always speak to her and she always make me okay, you're not doing it wrongly. She do that. So a friend can do it. So but you have been a friend to me, Mom. So thank you so much for being such a good person to me. So love you, mom, and love you so much. So thank you, and happy Mother's Day, mom. And thank you so much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to show that the three golden things about my mom and how to share my love to my mom. And thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, mom. Thank you.
Hi all, a happy Mother's Day to all wonderful mothers of this world. So today I am going to say about my mother Balatirupura Sundari. She is God's gift to me in this era. I am very happy to have as a mother to me. She has sacrificed a lot in her life to make us grow in a good way, and she taught us more moral values so that we are a good citizen of this country. So I thank very much to God, and I also wish my mom to be healthy and hale. Good wishes to her, and happy Mother's Day to all wonderful mothers in this world. And thank you, Dina Grace, for giving me this opportunity to say about my mom.
Celebrations have started, so and Mother's Day is coming, so I am going to show you how to make a simple greeting card with the things that you have at home. You will need a chart paper folded into two for a greeting card base, some crayons, gum, pair of safety scissors, make sure you have safety scissors, compass if you have, otherwise no problem, scale, pencil, sharpener and eraser, and a plain A4 sheet. Plain A4 sheet. That's the materials that we are going to need, guys. First, let me measure the greeting card size and cut the paper that I have according to this size. Okay, so this is the first step. I have cut this piece of the same size, so we are going to stick this on the greeting card, so make sure the size fits. If this is a little bigger, just cut the sides off to make it shorter. So make this into half and fold it like this. It should fit exactly into this card. Okay, so this is what we are going to do next. I am going to just draw a heart shape over on this side, half of it. Okay, just this curve alone. Make sure you don't cut in this part. This area you should not cut it. Okay, so I am going to cut it off. Don't cut it here. Take it, the scissors to the other side, and I'm going to cut it over here till this part. See, I have not cut this middle part, so you will have something like this. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we will decorate this piece with the crayons that you have at home. No need to buy costly paint or anything. I know mummies will not need more costlier things. They just love simple things made by you guys. It is the love that counts, not what you're going to give your mom. Okay, so I'm just going to color the heart shape with a red crayon just to make it pop out, since we are making a pop-up card. Okay, you can fully color it. No need to go and buy big color sheets and all, guys. If you have white papers at home, you can also use magazines. They have red color advertisements or something like that. That will be more shinier also, so you can use that also. or you can do like this. Okay, just make sure there are now white parts seen. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make small hearts like this. Okay. You can decorate it as you want it. You can write something. Okay, I am writing simple word. My mom is the best. Or you can write, my mom is my best friend. My mom. So I'm writing here, happy Mother's Day. Okay, and you can sign it over here, whatever is your thing. If your brother or sister is going to contribute to this, you can include their name also here. So this part is ready now, guys. What we are going to do is we are going to make this heart into a pop-out. So I am going to fold it like this. Can you see how I am folding? I'm just pinching this part like this. Okay, I'm going to show you once again. We have already cut this part, colored this part. Okay, everything has been done over here. I'm going to draw some more hearts. If you want your hearts to look even more prettier, you can give them a black outline so that they will really look perfect. Always remember, guys, giving outline to a picture will always make it look beautiful. Okay, so this is ready now. So this part I am just pushing this heart inside and I am folding it. See here. Okay, so this heart goes inside like this. Now can you see the pop-up working? Now I'm going to just stick this part inside this white card that I have already cut and kept. Okay, so this is going to be a pop-up. If you want, you can add more decorations with stones or something like that, but let me finish this and then show you. Okay, simple white paper is enough, guys. No need to spend big amount of money in color papers, or if you have color papers, well and good. During this lockdown time, we will not get all those things everywhere. So I'm just basically applying any glue, any Fevistick or Fevicol, whatever. If you're going to make this as a surprise gift for your mom, please don't go and ask your mom where is Fevicol. Whatever is the glue that you get in hand, you can use it. It's not very. Make sure you don't stick the heart part. Okay, and here it goes. Okay, and I'm going to stick this on this side. Okay, so this part, let it stick properly. Okay, this is the front part. So I am using my crayons to give a different look over here. Okay, so I'm making it simple with hearts. You can make flowers, you can make beautiful flowers, very simple beautiful flowers. I'll tell you how to make those. See, okay, make a heart of different colors, various colors that you think your mom will like. Pretty colors, use as much as colors you have. in your crayons box. Okay, and let these hearts fly. The more colorful the card is, the more your mom will be surprised, guys. So don't try to buy a lot of gifts and all, just use small things. And now I'm going to take a green color crayon and I'm just going to draw stem. Okay, so here, so now here I can write whatever I want. I'm going to write for the star of family. And you can do one more thing, guys. You can get it signed from everybody at home so that they will also contribute to this. Okay, so now see, voila, your pop-up card is ready. Okay, hope you like this craft, hope you like this greeting card, and hope your mom likes this greeting card from you guys. All the best. Keep wishing your mom and stay safe, guys. Don't go outside unnecessarily. That is a humble request from all of us over here. Okay, so please do take care, and happy Mother's Day, everybody. Bye bye.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. I did. I thoroughly enjoyed the video. I enjoyed every single bit of it. Thank you so much to all the participants, to all the beautiful kids and the trainer who have been a part of it. Thank you very, very, very much from the bottom of my heart. It means a lot to all of us. Thank you so much for making it so special for all the moms out there, and all the mothers. Happy Mother's Day. Take care, stay safe, stay home as much as possible. Take care of your loved ones. Take care, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Dina Grace YouTube channel. See you again in the next video. Until then, this is Dina Grace signing off.